XRP will make millionaires overnight. Crazy news. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss if XRP is going to make you a millionaire soon. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Ripple XRP is one of the world's foremost cryptos and one of the most intriguing. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other big names, it does not market itself with its decentralization. Instead, crypto is closely associated with several banks, investment companies, and organizations worldwide. This may seem counterproductive when many traders believe that cryptocurrencies' most significant trading points is their freedom of influence from outside companies. However, crypto experts are increasingly arguing that it could be the key to Ripple's success. At the beginning of 2021, Ripple was going through difficult times. However, upon reaching some highs in April and then in August, it gave hope to investors and provided traders with the opportunity to speculate on ups and downs of the XRP price. At the end of 2020, the company faced an SEC lawsuit that threatened the Ripple future. Despite the SEC lawsuit, which began in 2020, the company has remained afloat and is planning to launch a marketplace for financial firms to offer their clients an option to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. XRP was stable from its launch in 2013 until early 2017, when the sideways movement ended. By the end of 2017, its price skyrocketed by 35,000%. This success occurred as Ripple managed to achieve a threshold of 100 banks worldwide that signed on to RippleNet. On January 4, 2018, the XRP USD rate reached an all-time high. However, it couldn't sustain those levels, and it subsequently dropped by 76% within 1 month. The plummet was caused by fears of new regulations on the Asian market. This factor affected not only XRP but also other cryptos. In 2018, the total market cap for cryptocurrencies declined by around 43%. The sharp downtrend that continued until February was also boosted by other factors. Facebook declared it would ban advertisements for cryptocurrencies and ICOs. U.S. regulators summoned Bitfinex and Tether to a court. The further decline was spurred by the finance minister of India, who said the country would do everything it could to discontinue the use of virtual currencies. Ripple or XRP? Are they synonymous or different terms? If you're new to the crypto market, you may have such questions in your mind. Thus, we will start our price guide with basic terms. It will allow you to differentiate Ripple's products. Ripple is a company that provides a payment protocol that can be compared to a payment system, money transfer network, and currency exchange. The protocol works with digital currencies, fiat money, and commodities. XRP is the protocol's internal coin. If you want a deeper understanding of the Ripple topic, check the following items. XRP or Ripple is a cryptocurrency that RippleNet powers. Financial institutions use the coin to provide fast transactions with low fees. RippleNet represents a payment platform. It's based on the distributed ledger database of XRP Ledger. Ripple operates the digital platform. RippleNet Cloud deals with payments with one integration and a common Ripple payment object among RippleNet's customers. It allows for less friction and more standardization when customers are ready to scale. As for the XRP Ledger, it's open source and is based on the Ledger database, not blockchain. Ripple's all-time high price reached $3.84 on January 7, 2018. CoinMarketCap. Ryan Fugger was the first person who announced the idea of Ripple. It was in 2004. However, the protocol's real history started only in 2012 when Jeb McCaleb and Chris Larson took over the project. That time it was not even Ripple but OpenCoin. First, it was a startup project from San Francisco. The blockchain-like payment system was developed. It was created as an alternative to money transfers for the banking system, not as an opposition. Its popularity among financial institutions grew fast, and soon the company announced interest from leading banks. It was expected as the system enforced low-fee fast transfers worldwide. Banks apply the protocol to make cross-border transfer in real time using the X-Current software solution. At the same time, Ripple XRP is also available for investors and traders. Traders can do operations with the cryptocurrency via trading on crypto exchanges or with the help of brokers. For many years, the company has had contacts at the highest political and financial levels. Think of the World Bank, the ECB, the IMF, and the World Economic Forum. With rave recommendations and being priced from all sides, what could go wrong? Here we are. It's time to find out Ripple's expectations in 2021 and beyond. However, the year did not only bring bad news for XRP. A significant surge took place in September 2018. Within several days at the end of September, Ripple grew by over 140%. The XRP USD rate was pushed up after Ripple's head of regulatory relations for Asia Pacific and the Middle East, Sagar Sahib, said the company would release a product to expedite bank transactions with the use of XRP. 2019 was relatively stable for Ripple, with no dramatic ups and downs. As the Ripple network is very active in Southeast Asia, news on cross-border payments and state cryptocurrencies in this region significantly impacts its price. For instance, the XRP's rate increased after Japan and South Korea started working on time and cost reduction for transferring international funds between the two countries. By the end of 2019, the downtrend strengthened. Unlike other crypto assets, which started on upward movement in late 2020, XRP's price spiked by the middle of 2021, and later, after one more plunge, reached a reasonable price in August. Ripple's price prediction for 2022 by crypto experts: things aren't less challenging for Ripple now. The price will keep jumping until the SEC case is solved. Let's see what leading crypto sources say about the Ripple value in 2022. Number 1, Trading Beast. Trading Beast provides a pretty good optimistic prediction for the XRP rate in 2022. Starting the year at $1.58, the average projected value will move to $1.62 by December. Although the price isn't expected to skyrocket, a solid uptrend is always positive for investors. Number 2, Wallet Investor. As for Wallet Investor, the Ripple price forecast is also encouraging. The platform predicts the price will stay above $1.70 most of the year. By the end of the year, the price will cross $2. The maximum price won't break above $2.50. Number 3, CryptoGround. CryptoGround also expects the XRP value to increase. The source sees a bullish trend in 2022. However, there will be significant declines. By June, the price will be near $1.28. By the end of 2022, the price will reach $1.85. Number 4, Changely. Changely platform. Ripple's price has gained support from some of the investment biggies, and the number of partnerships and events with crypto companies shows that many believe in the currency. The recent XRP price predictions and its price movement might mark a tremendous improvement by the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH, and cross its previous all-time high of $1.84. Number 5, Long Forecast. The Economy Forecast Agency has a bullish forecast for Ripple in 2022. Still, the market will be highly volatile. The price will fluctuate within the range of $1.53 and $1.87. Should I invest in Ripple? Ripple? Buy or sell? Maybe these questions are still in your head. Risk of regulatory tightening will be necessary for the crypto market in the coming year. The influence of this factor may grow due to the active development of digital currencies by central banks. Regulators do not want to weaken control over cash flow, so they will strongly resist the spread of cryptocurrencies. The influence of this factor will be even more potent than back in 2017-2018. The expected development of DeFi is another risk for Ripple. Oddly enough, the coronavirus pandemic can support the virtual market. So far, there is no reason to expect an early end to the pandemic, so the demand for cryptocurrencies and XRP will remain relatively high. If the dominant driving force in the market had previously been individuals, then in 2021 it is institutions. Therefore, we will most likely see a smooth rise in the XRP coin next year, even despite the recent drop in the rate due to the situation with the SEC. The events of April to November 2021 confirm that the XRP-USD pair still has major speculative characteristics due to the court case and the overall negative dynamics of the crypto market. However, the XRP-USD pair still produces volume and volatility. The XRP showed it could triple its capacity, then lose almost everything. It's a good point for aggressive traders. If investing in XRP seems like an exciting idea, you're welcome to register a free demo account on Light Finance. It's a helpful platform for all your investing info and an excellent platform for price speculation. Most experts expect the XRP value to grow if the SEC lawsuit is settled and provides the first crypto IPO. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Until then,